Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about MySQL delete data using PHP. So in the previous video we talked about updating data in MySQL using PHP, and now we are going to delete the data from the same table we used in the previous video. So here is the simple syntax for deleting the data from the database. So it's kind of a sentence: delete from, then table name. So delete from, let me open our table. So this is the database we are using. This is the table. So we want to delete a record from this table. So that means delete from BWP students where. So we want to delete particular data. So we have to pass a condition. So for example, we want to delete this uh, first record. So in where condition we can use something like id equal to 1, where id equal to 1. So first let's try to delete from here. Again I will delete this. So here is the query, MySQL query, delete from BWP students where id equal to 2. So same query we are going to use using PHP. So first I'm going to create a new file, delete data.php. I'm gonna copy this whole section because we all now know that we just need to change the SQL query. So here I will make a blank. I'll do some necessary changes, and now let's try to add this query. So we don't need to pass this because we already saying query that delete from this where id equal to 2. So now let's try to execute this. Delete data. So data successfully deleted. Let's refresh this. This should be deleted. As you can see, let's try to refresh this again. So nothing happens because we don't have id 2, so that is already deleted. Now let's try to delete id 5. Now 5 should be deleted. So as you can see, so that's very simple. Delete query is so simple in MySQL. So this is how delete works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.